everyone, Ryan here, and I'm excited to chat with you a little bit today about how to swipe like a pro with our new Retinol eye stick. So when it comes to applying products under and around the eye area, it's really important to be extra gentle because the skin around here is about 10 times thinner than the rest of your face. So you don't want to be tugging or rubbing or over wiping in this area because that's only going to pronounce the signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles and that loss of elasticity even faster. So again, it's really important to be extra gentle when applying an eye product. And the easiest way to do that with Retinol eye stick is to warm and swipe. So just starting on the edge of your eye right around here, you want to warm it up in small circular motions. And to be honest, it's really great to pay some extra attention here because this area is where you start getting some of those deeper crow's feet over time. So warm it up and then you can swipe under, back over, and around the entire eye area. So again, by warming it up, it's going to give a super smooth and gentle application while really effectively delivering the product. So again, it's as easy as just warming before you start swiping and you're good to go.